everyone, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll take a look at this old B&K Precision oscilloscope. Hooking it up to a radio frequency generator, we can see that it indeed works. Now I think it's time we should give it a clean. As you can see, it has several stains, some pencil marks, and an old sticker. Rubbing alcohol made short work of the stains and the pencil marks. Using a toothbrush covered in rubbing alcohol, I could remove the grubbiness that had built up on the dials. The dirt and grime on the top of the display came off with a toothbrush. The barcode sticker came off with some Goo Gone. The top of this machine isn't all that dirty, but I still gave it a wipe. There appears to be some sort of asset tag, but I'm going to leave it. The warranty void sticker is ripped, meaning that someone at some point opened up this machine. On the side of this machine, there's a lot more coffee stains. I found that simply picking them off worked well. This is what the back of this oscilloscope looks like. It's not that dirty, but there is a little bit of goo that I wasn't able to remove, not even with Goo Gone. The handle wasn't all that dirty either. I still gave it a clean though. The bottom has tons of vent holes. Some of these larger holes actually provide access to some calibration potentiometers. You have to stick your screwdriver in to access the little knob. This metal bar can fold out to stand the oscilloscope up. This is now a very clean little piece of tech. Units like mine often sell for around $100 to $200 on eBay. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked today's video, be sure to leave a like, and for more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe. You've been watching ES Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.